Information is an important part of any job. A doctor must have information on thousands of diseases, a driver knows hundreds of routes, and a police officer must know every law in the land. Imagine that you're responsible for potentially millions of pieces of information, each piece relevant to different people at different times, and you had access to the correct piece of information instantaneously. This is the challenge of a project manager. Over the course of a project, hundreds and thousands of decisions are made. These decisions have an impact, and they all generate information. Much of this information can be used in the future to benefit other projects, such as reducing risk, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. Say you design a terrific new report that drastically cuts down on report creation time. This will be extremely beneficial to future projects. But if this information isn't captured and recorded correctly, in such a way that it's easily accessible, these values will be lost and improvements may never be made. This is where Project Management Information Systems, PMIS, step in. What is a Project Management Information System? In a nutshell, a Project Management Information Systems, PMIS, is a system that captures all project data and stores it in an organized fashion. This information can be retrieved, searched, cataloged, shared, and analyzed. Let's say you're building a car, specifically the doors of a car. You'll need detailed instructions on how the doors should be built and attached to the car. The original design documentation specified how the doors should be angled on the body of the car. The project budget details how much should be spent on the doors. These documents are significant in size and complex in nature, making them difficult to review, and they're very time-consuming to find what you're looking for. Without a PMIS, finding this information will cost time and may cause errors. Perhaps the door specifications are contained in more than one document section, but without the ability to search the entire document, you assume one section covers everything. Without a PMIS, not finding the budget information or finding the wrong information will incur a cost. It may delay the project or cause it to fail completely. It's easy to see how efficient, easy access to accurate information is imperative for the success of a project. In addition to providing specific information on specific areas of the project, as in the previous example, the PMIS should also provide intelligent feedback to the project manager. The PMIS should provide reports on the status of the project in terms of time, budgets, and risk. This information is critical in order to ensure the project is on time and within budget. Without a PMIS, it would be a full-time job just to analyze information and provide reports, let alone manage the project. In addition, the PMIS reduces the possibility of human error in compiling these reports. You can be more exact if what you're seeing and what you're basing your decisions on is correct. The following are key features of a good PMIS and should be considered when reviewing and purchasing a PMIS. Intelligent repository and cataloging tools. Earned value management tools to measure project performance and progress. Charting and reporting tools. Resource tracking and leveling. Work breakdown structure tools, individual tasks, relationships, and dependencies. Calendar features, scheduling abilities, work authorization tools, and communication/sharing tools. So if these are the best features of a PMIS and will provide advantages to your project, what should you watch out for when buying or using a PMIS? Keep in mind that a PMIS is nothing without information. All of these features, tools, and reports will only work if provided information. If the information you provide isn't accurate, or if it's of questionable quality, these features may work, but they'll provide inaccurate or low-quality results. So if the information quality is poor, the decisions based on that information will be poor, and poor decisions jeopardize the success of the project. Also, be aware of information overload. Too much information isn't always a good thing. Increased complexity can lead to confusion. Information is a valuable and critical aspect of all projects. It helps us make good decisions and improves our chances of success. However, too much information is difficult, sometimes impossible, to manage. The larger the project, the more information it'll generate and require. It's not possible for a project manager to store this information either in their head or in physical documents. Project Management Information Systems manage the information in an intelligent fashion by storing, categorizing, analyzing, and sharing project information with the entire team. They also provide rights and privileges so that only certain people can access or edit certain information. A PMIS can provide significant value to a project by helping people access the right information at the right time in an efficient manner. Good decisions can be made on this information that can lead to project success.